Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken Submarine. First, you'll need to access the in-game internet on your phone or computer. Navigate to the Dock.T's website, which is where you can browse and purchase various watercraft. The Kraken Submarine is a special item that becomes available after you complete certain story missions. Make sure you've progressed far enough in the game to unlock this exciting vehicle. To unlock the Kraken, your primary goal is to complete the Death at Sea mission. This crucial mission is a part of the main storyline, so you'll naturally encounter it as you advance through the game. Successfully finishing this mission is the key trigger for making the Kraken available for purchase. Keep an eye on your mission log and follow the story to reach this point. Once Death at Sea is complete, head back to the Dock.T's website. You'll find the Kraken Submarine listed among the available water vehicles. Select it, review the details, and then proceed with the purchase. The game will guide you through the final steps to confirm your acquisition. After purchasing, the Kraken will be delivered to your personal dock or a designated location. With your new Kraken Submarine, you're ready to explore the vast underwater world. It's perfect for discovering hidden secrets, sunken treasures, and evading unwanted attention. The Kraken provides a unique perspective on the game's environment and offers exciting new gameplay opportunities. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals we've found for you. Happy diving!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.